Hey guys, it's Sadie here, and I'm gonna open up LOL Hair Goals. So let's get it. So guys, what does a fox say? If you don't know, it says cock-a-doodle-doo. So let's open this. So here's some paper. Guys, if you want one, go to Target and get it, or go to Walmart. So this, and when you do a craft, you might need adult supervision. So let's get this on opening. I need help. Ooh, hot pink, guys. If you know what hot pink means, comment down below in the comments. Oh, and Chadla Wild Clay and V Quaint. If you haven't checked out their video, go check it out now. Wait after this video because they're my friends. I have their app, and download the app down in the comments. So let's get this opened. This is what and there's so many people you could collect, and they actually have real hair. So let's see what the secret message is. Huh? Where did the secret message go? Oh, here's the secret message. It says up rope, I think. It says top cut. I think. I'm not a good reader. If you know what this says, comment down below in the comments. So let's get on unwrapping still. So let's get this all opened all the way so you could see what this looks like if you haven't seen the hair goal yet. If you want a hair goal, go get it at Target or Walmart. Just a reminder so you could get one. Oh, this is hard to get opened. And so here's this binocular and some sticker links. Here's the thing where you do stuff. Oh, what's in this package? If you know what's in it, comment down below. So let's open this up. Ooh, it's this and this. So you could put it here, and you could let your doll stand on here. I'm going to show you how. You could do it this way, or this way, or this way. So let's get on opening this up. This thingy, this little door. Ta-da! Door! Ooh, look at her. Isn't she fancy? I'm going to show you all the characters you can get. So you could get Witch Baby, Splatters, Go Go Girl, Diva. You could get all of these. And who's where? That is where. Patty's wear. where, and I already have Batty because I have opened up these before. So let's get all these packages out and this. So let's open these things up, these colors up. Ooh, got this off. Ooh, I think it splatters. I have had splatters, so I hope it's not a duplicate. Ooh, it's not. It's somebody else. Who can it be? If you know who this bottle belongs to, comment down below. So it's not splatters. Let's open this package next. Ooh, I think they're shoes. Squishy shoes. Do you? Oh no, they're pink wristbands. Let me see the checklist. Who this is. This has pink wristbands. Oh, this is the one I always wanted. It's her. So let's get her out of this box. Wait after I get all her stuff out. Oh, look at her cute clothes. She is so cute. If you want this one, go and get her at Walmart or Target. So let's get this one opened. So I have something in here. Oh, look at these cute shoes. Now let's get this last package opened. So here's the last package. Oh, a cute necklace, guys. And that's all. So let's see what's inside this. It's the one I was been waiting for. Let's get her out of this thing. Here she is. Let's get her all dressed up. And guys, look at these squishy things. So let's get her her clothes on first. She's a fancy, guys. And let's get her little kitty clothes. You see, these are perfect to get on. No. Get on.
Her name is Daring Diva.
Her name is Daring Diva. Dad, can you please help me with this?
Sure can. I can assist you with that.
It's really hard. You just put it up. And look at these cute little squishy bracelets. These are so squishy, guys. And this is a clear bottle with a heart and a measuring line right here. So if you want more water in that, you can. So let's get her little shoes on. So here's a black and pink shoe. Here's another black and pink shoe. So let's get her little wristbands on. Let's put it all the way on. And put another one all the way on. So here's her little cute wristbands. Now let's put on her necklace. Here's her necklace. We just need to switch it around so it's good. Here's it. Let's put her bottle in her hand. Here we go. And we have her little brush that we can brush her hair with. So here she is. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye!